Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to show you how to embed a Vimeo video with autoplay and mute. If I refresh this page, you can see we've got this video playing here. We've got it muted and it's on autoplay. Really easy to do. We've got to modify the code a bit to do this, but there's nothing to it. Let's enable the Visual Builder. And I'm going to go down and delete this module, and we'll start from scratch. Okay, well, let's add a code module. There we go. Let's go over to Vimeo. Simply go to Vimeo, select the video that you want to embed, click on it, and it'll take you to the screen to play it as usual. Up on the right hand side here, we've got some share icons. If I click on it, there's a little embed icon right there. If I click on this, it's going to give us an embed code. And what this embed code is going to do, simply copy it, is going to embed this video in the site. If we go back to the site and paste that code in there now, there it is. But it's not playing, and we want it to autoplay. And I would suggest you mute it as well, because a lot of devices won't support autoplay unless you've got it muted. So if we look at this code here, and I'll try and zoom in on it when I edit this video. Here's our video URL. There's the actual video number. Just after that number, it's got a little question mark and an H equal ACC. We don't need that bit. We're going to change that to our own. So leave the question mark in there. Select the last bit. Make sure not to cut off those little inverted commas there. We're going to delete that, and we're going to say autoplay equals 1. And we want it to be muted, so I'm going to say and, or the ampersand, the and sign, muted. And that's slightly different from what you say with a YouTube video when you want to do this. Muted equals 1. If you want to loop it, you can add loop. As you can see, it started to play there. So if you want it to loop, hit and loop equals 1. Now, should you have any other embedded videos on your page, you're going to want them to stop when this plays. So if you do want to pause your other videos, let's add ampersand again and auto pause. We'll say equals 0. And that'll turn off any other videos when this one plays. And as you can see, that's automatically playing nicely there. With YouTube, it's simply and mute equals 1. The rest of it's pretty similar. So let's save this, make sure it's going to work on the front end. Save the page changes. And let's exit the Visual Builder. And there we go, our page is reloaded, our Vimeo video is auto playing there. So that's how to get a Vimeo video and make it autoplay with the Divi theme. Like I say, I'll put this code down below, or at least some of the code. I can't put the brackets down there because YouTube won't let me, but I'll put the important parts down there. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.